Okay, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Let's now meet Hana, our super driver. This is Hana, 35 years old, international truck driver. For an average of 4 nights a week, a truck is her home. Well, Hana, welcome to the DAF Experience Center. You are lucky to be among the first to experience the new generation DAF. First, put your belongings in the external locker with large opening and get in the cab.
Whoa.
Note that even for the XG Plus flagship model, only 3 steps are needed. First impressions? Yes, indeed. Interior space is huge. Get behind the wheel. Direct view is unprecedented thanks to the large windows, their low belt lines, and the optional curb view window. And the screens of the digital cameras provide perfect indirect view. Now create the optimal seat position for yourself. Adjustment range is incredible, isn't it? It goes far beyond the current standard in the industry. And what about that steering wheel? It can be adjusted from practically horizontal to vertical position. You can sit in the new generation DAF as you would in your passenger car. There's a handle on the seat to turn it into a swivel seat. Great for when you want to relax after a hard day's work. And of course, DAF's famous retractable table is still there and is even bigger than ever before. But put the seat in driving mode again. Take a look at the dashboard. Astonishing, isn't it? The fully digital instrument panel, 12-inch, is a real eye-catcher. You can easily select a modern or classic design and tune the settings to your preferences. Yep, easy to connect your mobile phone and play your favorite music. That should make you very happy. And the second display? That's a touchscreen for operating the DAF infotainment system. Do you remember the human-machine interface we mentioned earlier? DAF's motto is hands on the wheel, eyes on the road. So all functions related to driving can be operated by physical buttons, all logically positioned on or nearby the steering wheel, so that you can completely focus on the road. Lots of storage space, by the way, on top and underneath the dashboard, where there's also an open compartment, cup holders, and a drawer. Have a look at the refrigerator. 1.5-liter bottles can stand upright. And also nice, the integrated bottle holders on the outside that are cooled indirectly. DAF is known for the best bunks in the industry, and that reputation will become even better. In the new generation trucks, all bunks have a length of 222 centimeters. In this XG and XG Plus, it's always 80 centimeters wide, with a separate topper. Lay down and experience the new relax bed. That's quite fantastic. The new rear wall panel from which you can operate the sound system, climate, windows, and roof hatch. It even has a surveillance mode, so you can see what's happening around the truck through the cameras. Why don't you take a rest now? Sweet dreams, Hana.